They are ready. This is my aquando, and this is my spice, my lasso, and my spicy tea. Steve, come carry me. I don't come know when. Please come on this way.
Pan. Okay. Today. Okay.
Guy, have fun now.
My chief.
How you be now?
Anyway.
Nah, how you dey work now?
This one carry bag.
Nah, how you take be now? Too much hunger take this country like this, so.
I never even chop since morning. No.
Your own na since morning, na since yesterday I never chop. Yesterday night, like this.
Like serious.
I get something for this bag now. Wey be say we go fit use run and chop like this.
Wetin be that now? Yeah, I get gas and all this.
Okay, you get spices.
Everything there, but I don't get wetin I want cook.
Na rice, so at least you know say rice cost this much.
You know how much you dey here?
Oh, but this thing na gold like this, so.
Wetin I dey do? But man enter kitchen.
Na gold like this.
You na correct G.
Guy, no have a boss. Make I sit down.